I don't think people here realize this is the end of Rome. Everyone's running, the soldiers look terrified, and the whole city smells like smoke right now. This is absolute chaos.
These viral time travel vlogs where people film themselves in the past or the future are blowing up on Instagram and YouTube right now. Let me show you this channel as an example. They've only uploaded 32 videos and gained over 200 subscribers, and almost every video is pulling in millions of views. This recent video alone was posted 5 days ago and reached 1.3 million views. The second video hit 4 million views. That momentum helped the creator gain more than 2 million views in the past 7 days. And it's not just this account. New creators are already jumping on the trend and seeing significant growth as well. That's why I believe now is the perfect moment to enter this still untapped niche. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos step by step. The first step is to head over to ChatGPT. Open the sidebar, click Explore GPTs. If you can't see the option, click on More, then Apps, and you will see the GPTs in the top right corner and open it. In the search bar, type Time Travel Vlog. When the results appear, select this one, scroll down, and start a chat. You can also find this GPT model linked in the description below. Once you're inside the chat, you'll see two options at the top. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put yourself in a vlog, so click that option. The other option works the same way, so you can try it yourself after watching this video. After selecting Put yourself in a vlog, the GPT will reply and ask you to fill in a few variables. Here's how to answer them. First, upload a reference photo of yourself. Then, reply with the location and time period where you want your vlog to take place. In this example, I will choose ancient Rome during the fall from the suggestions above. Once you submit that, the GPT will generate 5 text-to-image prompts and 5 text-to-video prompts for you. Image generation. Once all the image and motion prompts are ready, the next step is to generate images. For this part, we are going to use FlexClip. This is an all-in-one video generation platform with the latest image and video generation models so that we stay inside the same platform for the entire workflow. I have left the link in the description below. Once you have signed in, click on AI Tools and go to the Image section and open AI Image Generator. When you click on Models, you will see a full list, but we are choosing Nano Banana for better results, and it supports reference images. Now, return to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Paste it here. Then, upload your own image as the reference. This ensures you appear in every scene. Once that's done, set the aspect resolution to 4K for crisp and quality images. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube long-form content, or 9:16 for shorts, reels, or TikTok videos. Set how many images you want per generation and generate. For a faster workflow, we'll select 2 images and click Generate. After the generation is complete, Nano Banana creates 2 images of your character in a vlog-style scene in ancient Rome witnessing its fall. Pick the best and save it to your device. Repeating the same process by only changing the image prompt for the next scene until all the 5 images have been generated. You will notice that in all the scenes, your character is consistent. Same person, same outfit, but in different environments. Video generation. Now that our images are ready, for the next step, we're going to convert them into videos. Click on this drop-down arrow and switch to the Video section and AI Video Generator. From here, you will see a full list of powerful models, and we are going to select Kling 3 for smooth and cinematic motion. One of the new features is that you can now generate videos up to 15 seconds instead of the 10 second limit with native audio. Now, let's continue by uploading the start frame for the first scene from the images we created in the last step. Once it's uploaded, head back to the GPT model. Scroll down and you'll see 5 text-to-video prompts. Copy the first one. Then return to FlexClip and paste the video prompt. It supports resolution up to 1K, but 720p is still great. For duration, I will choose 10 seconds. Before generating the video, make sure that audio is turned on. Then, click Generate. Once the video finishes processing, you'll end up with a cool video like this. Let's watch it.
I don't think people here realize this is the end of Rome. Everyone's running, the soldiers look terrified, and the whole city smells like smoke right now. This is absolute chaos.
Imagine seeing yourself travel to ancient Rome. The selfie style, the way the camera moves around, and native dialogue. I can't believe we've just created this with AI. Now, repeat this process for every image you created using the matching video prompts. Remove the current image and upload another one for the next scene. Return to ChatGPT, copy the next motion prompt, and paste it here. Leave other settings unchanged and generate. By the end, you'll have several short videos that you can later stitch together. Next, download all the videos and open your favorite video editing software, like CapCut. Import the clips into your project and place them on the timeline one by one in the correct order. Since the clips are already generated with ambient sounds with native audio, only little editing is required. If you want, you can add captions and transitions between your clips for enhanced cinematic feel, and once you're satisfied, export the video in high resolution. And that's it.
I don't think people here realize this is the end of Rome. Everyone's running, the soldiers look terrified, and the whole city smells like smoke right now. This is absolute chaos. They just broke through the gates! Look at this, the Roman soldiers are trying to hold them back, but everyone's retreating. I seriously need to get out of here. The whole neighborhood is burning right now. People are grabbing whatever they can carry and running. You can literally feel the heat in the air. I can barely hear myself over everyone arguing in here.
Now you have seen a complete workflow on how these viral time travel vlog videos are created. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Tap into this viral niche before competition sets in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.